Any last thoughts on what you recommend folks on this call to do who are in the middle of the course, pretty much at the end of the course, some of you, what are some of the two or three things that you can quickly tell us?
For me, what I did is, there is a week in between each class, right? So make sure, take time, listen to the course and make your own notes after each and every course so that you remember them, so that you will be like, it's in you whenever you have the job, like, when you're applying for the jobs, interviewing, it will really help. And follow everything what Abhishek says and follow everything he says. That's the mantra.
Well, guys, that's not me. I know she keeps saying my name, but I think it's more about you guys. You guys have given me the experience of going through it. It was not easy helping and assisting students, but I'm happy that I'm able to somehow contribute to your careers. But I believe students have given me that experience, and I'm just going with the flow here. But thank you, Sudha, for coming on the call, and I wish you the best. But
Thank you. Thank you.
guys, we'll meet up on Thursday. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good luck, guys.